Now activity, variation of potential drop with length of wire, also called as potential gradient. That means potential per unit length, that is V upon L, always remains constant. This is formula. V upon L, that is K, always remains constant. Circuit diagram for the same. This is from A to B. This we have potentiometer which has a length of 400 centimeter. So if you see, this is our potentiometer which has a length of 400 centimeter. That means you can take this as a terminal A, this as a terminal B. Then we can say 0 is here. Then first wire, you see it is 100. Then 101 start from here. 101 to here it is 200. Then 201 to 300. And 301 to 400. So total length of potentiometer is 400 centimeter. You can say 0 starts from here, 0 to 100, 101 to 200, 201 to 300, and 301 to 400. So this is our terminal B and this is a terminal A. Now apparatus required for the same: voltmeter to measure the potential. This is the battery, plug key, or rheostat. Agree? So we see here it is voltmeter, a range of, you can say 0 to 10. That means after 0 we'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 to 0 we have here it is 10 division. That means least count, that is single division, is equals to, we can say 0.2. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and so on. That is 2, 2.2, 2.4, 2.6 and so on. The apparatus which we have, this is battery, as a battery. Then plug key, this is plug key. Rheostat, this is rheostat. We'll place the apparatus as shown in diagram. If you see my diagram, after potentiometer I kept voltmeter here. This is my voltmeter. Then I have here battery, this is battery, plug key and rheostat. Now we'll go with connection. Now students, we just took wire from the respective terminals. Now we'll go for connection. At terminal A, if you see, there are one wire from positive voltmeter, you see positive voltmeter, and positive of battery. So at terminal A we are connecting two wires. One is from positive voltmeter, one is from positive of battery. So we'll go. So this is positive of battery, this is positive battery, and this is positive voltmeter, this is positive voltmeter. This two will connect to terminal A. So we are connecting to terminal A. Second end of voltmeter, you see it is connected to jockey. So second end of voltmeter will connect to this jockey. So second end we are connecting to jockey. This is jockey which we can slide over a wire. Okay students. Now second end of, that is fixed terminal of rheostat. Fixed terminal of rheostat we are connecting to one end of plug key and next end of plug key we are connecting to negative of battery. So next end will connect to negative of battery. This is negative of battery which we connected to plug key. Okay students, now see connection again. At terminal A we are connecting positive end of voltmeter and positive of battery. Second end of voltmeter we connected to jockey which will slide over a wire. Then negative of battery is connected to one end of plug key second end of plug key is connected to fixed terminal of rheostat and variable terminal of rheostat is connected to terminal B. This is what our simple connection. Okay, now we'll proceed for readings. List count of voltmeter. So 0 to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 0 to 2 we have 10 division. So smallest that is first division is 0.2. So we can write list count is 0.2. List count is 0.2 volt. Now we have to take length of potentiometer wire. You can take any value, better we'll go with 100, 200 and 300, and we'll see the voltmeter reading for 100 length, voltmeter reading for 200 length and voltmeter reading for 300 length. So we'll go with for 100, that means first wire, we'll keep our jockey at end. After placing at end, you will see it is around 100. Our voltmeter reading, if you see carefully, it is 1 volt. So when length is 100, our voltmeter reading is 1. Now we'll go for 200, means this side is 100. On second wire, from here you will get 200. So we'll keep it at 200. By placing 200, if you see our reading is 2 volt. So for 200 we are getting 2 volt. 200 we'll write in observation table 2 volt. Now for 300, that means here it is 200. Now third wire, here we'll get 300. So we'll keep jockey at this end, keeping jockey at 300. Let's see what is our reading on voltmeter. For 300 we have around 3 volt. So 100 we got 1 volt, 200 we got 2 volt, for 300 we got 3 volt. As I said, you can take any value of length, but better go for proper number so that calculation becomes easy. Now calculation ratio of V upon L. So calculation I did already. V by L, first V is 1 volt, length is 100. So 1 upon 100, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 volt per centimeter. Second V is 2, 2 upon 200, that is again 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. Third is V by L, that is 3 upon 300, again 1 by 100, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. So if you see here it is, first 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, second 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, third is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, means V by L will write here. So 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. If you calculate the mean also will get the same. That is potential gradient 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 volt per centimeter, that always remains constant. Thank you, students.